Action.
It's shit-tastic.
Alright, that's good. Action.
Are you tired of being constipated? Are you tired of shitting yourself in the restroom for hours? Well, look no more, man. Download the SongBird from What the Fuck Is This Production. You'll feel great. You'll never be able to look at the sink ever again.
Sink or toilet?
Well, you're sitting in the toilet, but you know.
Action.
Are you tired of being constipated? Are you tired of shitting yourself for hours? Well, Mr. Shitter here has a new product for you. Get the SongBird and you'll be relieved in a matter of seconds. Listening to that tune will make you feel great, but don't play it or else you'll shit yourself in front of others. Get it now.
Action.
Are you tired of being constipated? Are you tired of sitting in the restroom for hours? Well, look no further. Mr. Shitter here with a new special offer. From What the Fuck Is This Productions comes the SongBird, a fast relieving song that helps you shit quick. There's no drugs included, only a fast
Miracle worker. Action.
Are you tired of being constipated? Are you tired of sitting in the restroom for hours? Well, look no further. Mr. Shitter here with a new special offer. From What the Fuck Is This Productions comes the SongBird, a fast relieving song that helps you shit quick. No drugs included, only a fast relieving
Action.
side effects are gonorrhea.
Fuck! Gonorrhea! Damn! Action.
Side effects are gonorrhea, HIV, AIDS. Think of
And
please
action.
please ask your doctor before taking SongBird. Oh, wait.
Hearing action.
Please ask your doctor before hearing SongBird. Like 4 hours. Well, like
Action.
please ask your doctor before taking no.
Action. Talk louder. Action.
Oh yeah, I use that. Oh yeah, I remember using SongBird. I was having intercourse with my wife, and then I put that beautiful music, and well, I shitted everything out right there while I was having intercourse. You feel me?
Action.
I was using SongBird. I was constipated for a year, and I went to the restroom.
Oh my God. Action. You're gonna die. You are gonna die.
Chocolate ice cream. Yeah.
Oh.